Hey guys, I wanted to talk to you about the Coleman Instant Tent for 8. Let's go.
We're That Rogers Family, and we're here to encourage you to make intentional choices that build your family. So when I was trying to decide on a tent for our big family of 5, I researched this like crazy and came up with the Coleman Instant Tent for 8. If you want all the details on that, you can check in the description box below for the link.
And we wanted to grow our family into this tent. You know, we wanted to buy a big tent that I could stand up in. I hate walking in a tent and you're like crouched down. So this tent was the one that we picked to try out, and we love it. We've been through 3 camping trips away from our house and 1 in our backyard.
And when you get to a campsite, I really don't want my husband to be spending a half an hour building the tent while I'm watching the kids and making sure they're not falling in poison ivy
Yeah,
somewhere.
because you can't unpack until your tent is done. So once the tent's done, they can throw the sleeping bags down, put the stuff down, and then enjoy camping.
Coleman claims that you can build this tent in 60 seconds. So let's see how he did.
Not too bad. There it is. Gotta put some stakes in it, firm it up. But 60 seconds, how to do. But it's a legit tent. I love it. Easy to set up for the family. All right, and that is how you build a tent. Boom. You gotta sweep your tent out. So at the end, this thing goes flush and you can sweep the darts right out of there. Here's the little man. Unlike most tents, this thing still fits in the bag. So there it is, all zipped up, ready to go. Hey, check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching. I set this tent up by myself. I love it. Family can run around, do their thing. Of course, you have older kids, it's probably fun to set the tent together, but as far as I'm concerned, I love it. So if you want more information, check out the link below. We're so glad you're here, and we would love to have you join our journey by subscribing. Tune in every Friday as we share our lives and encourage you to do family on purpose.